Hi guys, and welcome back to another Beauty by Soma video. It's Jordyn again here to talk more about lashes. Today is all about lash lifts and if they are right for you. We'll explain the entire process as well as everything you should know as the client. The first thing that you should know is when you arrive to your salon, there's going to be a lash lifting form. This form explains the entire process that will be going on as well as the contraindications of this service. As a client, you need to know that although this product is only placed on the actual lashes, it is still a chemical perm solution. Once the form is complete, you and your tech will go over it together and consult the look that you are wanting to achieve. Once that's determined, we begin much like the lash extensions and we begin taping the lower lashes down as you can see here, and we prep the lower lashes. After we have all of the lower lashes secured and in place, we'll begin by putting a silicone curl pad that is either small, medium, or large, depending on your natural lashes. This pad is what is responsible for the curl effect that you desire. After we get the pad in place, we will begin by curling or rolling your lashes with a safe water-soluble glue up onto the pad and by pushing them into an upright, straight position. As a client, you should know that with these products that we use, even though they are safe, if you have dry, sensitive eyes or any types of allergies in relation to your eyes, lash lifts may not be for you. Once the lashes are properly glued in place, we will apply our perm solution carefully so none of the product comes in contact with the skin. Each salon will use a different product and their solutions may range on times for setting. It can be between 8 to 20 minutes based on the product. A tech should always be present with you while the solution is being applied and should never be leaving you alone while it sets. Once the solution has set, it will be carefully removed and replaced with a set solution that will also stay on between 5 and 10 minutes, and then the steps will repeat and be carefully removed. At this point, it's going to go one of two ways depending on if the client wants their lashes tinted as well. If she declines the tint, we begin removing the glue in the silicone pad and the service is complete. On our service today with this client, we're going to continue on with the tint. Many techs will leave the lashes rolled onto the pad and apply the tint to the iPad. However, I personally remove it and readjust the lower lash pad so that we can also tint the lower lashes. Our client today chose a more dramatic blue-black tint that is more bold. However, there is also a natural soft black available for a more subtle look. Once the color has been decided, you gently apply the tint to cover the lashes from root to tip. I make sure that it's evenly distributed to not leave any patches. Once the pigment is set, we will gently remove the tint, being sure to wipe away from the eyes to avoid irritation. And here it is. Our client does naturally have a shorter lash, but the curl really helps to open the eyes up. It should last approximately 4 weeks between a retouch and enjoy a more dramatic and effortless lash look in the meantime. The most important things to remember as a client is to keep your lashes dry for 24 hours for the perm solution to set, and if you have any irritation, to contact your lash provider. Thank you all so much for watching again. For further questions on lash lifts and if they're right for you, call any of our Soma locations. See you all next week.